Banky, and this is Banky Update. So in this video today, this is what I have for you today. It's a new platform launched on the 23rd of this month, and as you can see, this is on the 29th of this month. This is on the 29th of this month. So it's an investment platform where you can invest with USDT, or you can use Naira to deposit also, and you can withdraw. So this is how it work. Let me show it to you. For example, if you register, it will show you to this page. If you want to register, just do this. Check the description of this video below. Check the description of this video. You will see the registration link there. Register. So when you register it and they take you to this page here, all you need to do, let me show you their investment plans, how it work, how everything works. So let me show it to you here, because I've shared the plans to my group on Telegram here, so you can see it here. If you deposit $30 here, $30 can give you this in a day. It will give you $1 every day. If you deposit $60, you will be getting $2 every day. If you deposit $100, you'll be getting $4 every day. Like that, like that, like that. And one thing about this is that you can withdraw back your capital at any time you like. This your capital here, you can withdraw it back. Your capital will always back to you. For example, let's say when you do it in a day like this and you earn this amount and you don't want to do again, that means you will get 31 $31. $31. That is what you are going to get. Or for example, let's say you do it, you use like $100 to go into it, and you do it just in a day and you earn your $4. That means you have earned $104 in a day. If you like, you can decide to withdraw everything and take out your money immediately, or you can continue doing it. So that is it. That is how it work. This is their plans here. Look at everything very well so that you understand and know the amount you want to go in with. You can look at it. Their minimum deposit is $10, so you can also still do $10. So but the profits it will be giving you will be little, will be too little, so that is it. So let me go back to the site and show you some other stuff. Okay, let's go to their Telegram. Let's see what is there. Let's see how many community they have there on their Telegram channel. So if you click on the Telegram channel, let's see. So we are going, as you can see, they have 10,004K member. 10,004K member. A site that just launched has 10,004K members. So you can see it, you can see everything here. You can see everything. This is their roadmap. If you want to read it, this is their project map, everything. You can click on it here. It's just a PDF to just read everything. So that is it. So that is the I think that is what I should show you concerning their Telegram channel. So if you want to deposit, this is what you are going to do. You will click on, come to your account here. You can look everything, or you can just click on deposit here. Just click on deposit here, or you can come to your account here, click on mine. So this is how to do it. So the amount you want to deposit, just input it. If you want to use mobile banking, that is to do your transfer, you can use it. If you want to use USDT, USDT is the fastest one. So depending on the one you want to do, you want to use to deposit. With USDT, the minimum deposit is $30. But if you want to use mobile banking, the minimum deposit is $10. So depending on the one you want to use. So for example, let's say we want to use mobile banking, you will see that what they show us here is I think Arabic language, so I don't think we can use it. So let's just use USDT. So the minimum you can deposit with USDT is $30. All you need to do is to click on 30 USDT, that is 30. Then copy this, copy copy this and send the $30 to it. Make sure it's exactly $30 you sent into it. So immediately you send the money, you come here, type the amount you sent, screenshot the amount you sent, then put the screenshot here, click here, then upload your screenshot. After that, just click on confirm now. That is it. Just click on confirm now. That's all. In few minutes, the money will show up in your balance. In few minutes, the money will show up in your balance. So after it show up in your balance, the next thing to do is to click on this button here, this blue button. Click on it, then turn on your AI trading. Click on it here and turn it on. So when you turn it on, it will start earning money for you. So that is all. That is what I have for you today. If you like it, if you are looking for a way to make money online, you can just use it and use the opportunity. So that's all. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for being here, and goodbye. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your loved ones. If this is your first time here, I share different videos on how to make money online and some different ways you can earn through airdrop also. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So goodbye for now. Thank you.